I know. You're like, dude, the Bitcoin gold standard, bro, it's digital gold, right? It shouldn't be going down. Well, it is, and you're probably really worried because my thumbnail says $74,000 on it. I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't be worried about that and why that hitting $74,000 could actually be a really, really good thing for Bitcoin that could then push it up to $135,000 and even $180,000 after that. But if you don't know who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer, and I'm a verified pro trader with a documented 91.5% win rate. I am a verified pro trader at Verified Investing and Commodities Expert, and I also am the CEO and founder of NORDIC Alpha, which is where I give out all of my setups and trade calls for literally $29 a month across every market. Metals, Forex, equities, crypto, whatever it is, day trades, swing trades, scalp trades, we give them all out, right? So I'm gonna show you some of the Bitcoin trades that we've taken, just recently. And if you want in, go ahead and get in there. But I'm gonna show you the TA on why we could go to 74K and why that could be a very, very good piece of news for everybody that's inside of the crypto markets. So let's get in here. First thing I need to alert you of, we have a parallel. Thanks, Drew. Thanks, Captain Obvious. It might not be so obvious, right? But this parallel has broken down, okay? So as you can see, boom, boom, boom. We had 3 touch points to the bottom. Then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points to the top, and then we front ran it and then faded super hard, right? So let's get all that off there. As you can see, very, very well-defined parallel. That's the only reason I circled all of those, right? Then we broke down from this parallel, blasted down to what I have is a proprietary deviation zone that I will definitely not be telling you what it is because that's not what a pro trader would do, is give away their edges. But just know that these things hold up very, very well. Now, as you can see, we bounced from it. Boom. And then guess what? We bounced from the top end of it. We got outside of it, and then guess what happened? Well, we had a nice little bear flag right here that I will show you. Give me 1 second. Boom, and now we are breaking down from the bear flag and getting accepted back into, you guessed it, that first proprietary deviation zone. And here's the thing. We have now lost the bear flag, okay? And it's pretty easy, cut and dry to see the bear flag. Let's not even act like that's the bear flag, right? Let's act like this is the bear flag, okay? Because I know you'll probably be like, oh, well, that was a bear flag and then it broke down. Okay, cool. We'll just act like that's what it is, okay? So, boom, let's copy and paste this, and let's look for our measured move, okay? Our measured move on a breakdown of this is going to be right around $67,000, okay? Because I only take into account about 75% of the measured move because everybody's gonna be trying to bring it down to $59,000. I'm good taking my profits right here, and guess what that lines up with? The bottom end of my second proprietary deviation zone that we technically shouldn't really get outside of, okay? Now, can we? Absolutely, but that's when you know that this parallel is busted and you gotta find a new parallel to start thinking about, right? So now that we have broken down from here, this is where we can start thinking about shorting, but what I am looking for is a actual confirmation candle. So here's your bear flag, right? And, let's call it what it is. We have not confirmed on the 4-hour chart yet, right? We have not confirmed on the 8-hour chart yet. We also have not confirmed on the 1-hour chart yet, right? So we need to see a candle close outside of it, check. Then we need to see a subsequent another candle close below the low of the candle that closed outside of it. So this is your breakout candle, and then we need a confirmation candle without getting a candle that closes back up above the bottom end of the bear flag. Now, if that happens, then we are looking very good to start shorting, right? And if you want those levels and you want those trades, I promise you, I give them inside of the private VIP trading room every single day in my analysis. Check out some of these trades, man. This right here, whenever we broke down from the top end of this parallel, yep, this was a 36x risk to reward trade, taking it from the back test right here, right? Let's scroll over and I'll show it to you. Taking it from the breakdown, confirmation, back test, boom, all the way down to the top end of the first deviation zone, right? That was a 35x risk to reward. Then guess what we did? We just flipped long once we negated this first deviation zone, and we went down to the bottom. We bounced. We said, okay, we'll take it on the back on the way up. we will target the naked VWAP, and boom, we hit it almost perfectly the very next day, right? Secondarily, we hit this and we shorted that naked VWAP, and then boom, brought it down here for about a 2x risk to reward ratio. Then we shorted all the way up here, which was a naked point of control rejection and a rejection from these previous highs. As you can see, got that one. That was a 3x risk to reward. Then we hit this bad boy from the bottom, tagged that parallel first deviation zone again, wrote it up 5.5x risk to reward. Then we shorted the top and the SFP of these highs right here. As you can see, boom, 4x risk to reward, absolutely insane trade. Then we shorted this at the top, and that was a 14x risk to reward trade. No big deal. Just again, another swing failure pattern of the previous highs. And as you can see, we also hit this long on the way down. Okay, now the other thing that hit, okay, which was right here. Give me 1 second, I gotta find it. Bang, right? We hit this one, and it did actually get full take profit, but we didn't want full take profit on this. We're trying to ride this bad boy down here. And again, I gave this out, what was this, 3 or 4 days ago, in advance inside of the private VIP trading room. And this is where we rejected, okay? We came up here, we bounced, right, from the bottom end of this parallel, and then we came up here and we rejected from those old highs, and we had a bearish divergence and an order block the guy hit. Boom, we shorted, bang, and took it down. Okay, so now we're looking to ride this thing down a little bit further, and we can just set our stop loss and profit. Nobody loses, right? This is an 18x risk to reward ratio if we take it down to 82,000. If we take it down to 74, 38x risk to reward ratio, again, given live inside of the private VIP trading room. So get in where you fit in. But let me give you the parameters as to why this is not really that big of a deal if Bitcoin breaks down to $74,000, okay? And for this, we're going to go to the daily chart, okay? Now, I want to just quickly zoom out and kind of show you a trend-based parallel that, or not a trend-based parallel, sorry, trend-based Fibonacci that could show us exactly where we're going, right? Now, let me pull it up, and boom. Here, that is the wrong one. I apologize. There you go. Okay, so this is your 2020 uptrend, and I know the Bybit chart doesn't go all the way over here, but just know this is the low that came before, you know, BTC, USDT perpetual contracts were on Bybit, right? Then you measure that to the highs, to the lows that came after that in 2020, and then in obviously 2022. And as you can see, we're rejected from the 1.618. Now, we have bounced from the 1.0 right here, which is good, but if we lose this, we could come down to $74,000, which is the previous all-time highs, and bounce, right? The second thing that we could do, come down to the 0.786, which is right where the measured move on that bear flag is at $67,000, okay? And that could make us, boom, start skyrocketing back up to about $121,000 to the 1.618. But if we pull up our parallel again, you'll see that we're actually gonna see, if we get down here, right, and we bounce, we could see us going up to about $139,000 realistically to the top end of the parallel, right? But what comes after that? Because you're probably like, dude, like, where do we go? $187,000 is where the 2.618 trend-based Fibonacci takes us. So let's say we come down here or even here, right? And we bounce, we take out the 1.0, use it as support. We take out these all-time highs. We don't get swing failure patterns there. And we use the 1.618 as support. Where are we going? Next likely scenario, $187,000. Past that, hopefully we get a rejection there. We get, you know, a 786 to 618 retrace of that. We get up here, we use it as support, boom, and then we blast up to about $253,000. Now, what's the time frame on this? No one knows. Anybody that tries to tell you that they know is absolutely lying to you. I am a verified pro trader with a 91.5% live tracked and documented win rate that you can go and check on drewwolfer.com/win rate. You can even check it on verifiedinvesting.com, where I have my trader profile inside of their verified pro traders section. But my point in saying that is not to say, oh, I have a 91.5% win rate. I'm saying I'm right 90% of the time, and I'm obviously wrong 10% of the time. So not everybody knows, no one knows exactly where everything is going, and they can't point out the exact time frame. But we can say, hey, this level breaks, this is where our next level of support is. We break that level, here's our next level of support, and that's exactly what I did for you in this video so that you are prepared for what is to come. So let's prepare ourselves for the downside and then position ourselves at the bottom to then, boom, take that digital gold and blast it, pew, to the moon, $185,000, $135,000, $140,000, and then potentially to $250K over a very, very long-term amount of time. If you like content like this, seriously, do one thing for me. Smash the like button, and if you'd be so kind, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell so that you are in the know about all of this stuff whenever I see it, because the YouTube algorithm will notify you whenever I post these videos. And if you like this content, you want to get involved and you want actionable trades instead of me showing you, hey, here's what we did, and you're like, hey, I want to do that, get into the Nordic Alpha Private VIP Trading Room. $29 a month, less than $1 a day. Try it out for a month. What's the worst thing that happens? $29? That's less than it would cost you to go out to dinner, man. Just saying. It will go up in 2026 because we're getting like dozens of people every day and week inside of the trading room. So with demand rising, so do prices. I think you kind of understand how that goes. We do offer discounts for people that book, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months at a time, up to 15% discount. Feel free to do whatever you want to do. Would love to see you in there, but I appreciate seeing you on the channel, and everybody have a wonderful day.